Tony Muntia Kumase Asante Kotoko. So Enonia TV on Facebook 53 minutes. Ashena Ben, Bibiani Goldstars, where you born a chimney so there be Asante Kotoko, you born a theatre boxing him, born a quackody, Donzu, Morphine, hold the year partners there be Yasaji born for this, Bibiani Goldstars, a crab on the bonneco, then was other from reference bono, a year foul, Wasadi yellow card a chair, Morphine Donzu. What yellow card a channel? Ibiani Goldstars somo tete Asante Kotoko defenders ne pa nya sam ketua Morefin Dozu Bone fake here na se Ghana Premier League no on Facebook. Clement Nafe Michael Okule. One more share on Facebook. Also betting me a live match and live on Facebook. Onia TV. I fake here body at Asante Kotoko. Make us offer to you and Bibiani Goldstars. Omo modern bono I was watching Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Jello card I call Eddie Amayimalo Lanchi. I will see a kind of Asante Kotoko. Mohamed Kamara, Wabobo no Atiato, was I in from Sonibim. Mohamed Kamara, I pay 1 in 10 pass, Wapim, Nanso there be born inside as was Asante Kotoko yard boxing him. Donzu, Fissibon, I found young Fantoni Muntia. Bibiani Goldstars. Fissibon, I found young Fantoni Muntia. Samuel Champon, any set Kwajo Kamara, Obobi Anu Atiato. Last season, Ghana Premier League in Yehubi and champion of champions and air cost on so was Aqua Sam from Sonibi. Naswedi Asante Kotoko defenders need to be born Homodia. So that's what Asante Kotoko. Reference Bona Fa Yam Fanto Yamuntia Krobia Kumase Asante Kotoko. Number 13 jersey. Edema Krobia Kumase Asante Kotoko. And you go start say Crabono. Ewo Mankasoma Fem. Game no more day papa. Afenu no bia. Embezo bedin kuko akanse nim. Nti obia yire no ho. Tene be obetimi adinku ni mo he ahoɔden a omode bɔ na timi sampa. Obi a person odinkunim. The dance park and I can see the cost where you want to try line. A 3-winner Asante Kotoko. To where the Bibiani Goldstars. 2 teams no be about homodin. Obi a person watching sampa. Ojani naso. Patrick Asedu. Asani born the achievement so. Emmanuel Samia Champion Pierre Swaman goalkeeper. Jibona team Bonekra Bibiani Goldstars so man kasa ma fem. Pierre so de bona kwatiri. Bona kwa kodi konto. Konto Emmanuel Konto or the man goalkeeper. Emmanuel Kobi a piga bona team nan so there be. Bona team into attend Bonekra Asante Kotoko. We Pierre so de bona fem. Lord Hilaria Dabwa Salbona Kweti. The Bona Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. She born a chimney so there be. The goalkeeper Emmanuel Kobi. And my baby and Goldstars. Kevin upon and now I'm actually why a day pa. I am a modified into the Asante Kotoko by Sakaye Dika Kra. Bibiani Goldstars ayemi no Asante Kotoko nyebi Mobile miensa Sambo ne wa piambo no so bona kwa koma set kwajo Kotoko NCB Bibiani Goldstars NCB bona try line a throw in a yeto editia Bibiani Goldstars Sima do Samuel 62 minutes and Yapo as Kensi the man we air champion of champions Sonia TV and when you go show here commentary that's here media the best mark Kwaku Sapon Asante Kotoko Ensaka Emmanuel Entry Fia Kensi Emmanuel Entry of Kumasi Asante Kotoko Wafri Kensi ama Samuel Tenedu wana abeshemasi akane bi ede amakumase Asante Kotoko Entry Afimu ama Samuel Tenedu ede abeshemasi akane bi Kensi ama Francis Akwa wono abeshemasi akane bi ede ama Asante Kotoko je hwede Francis Akwa na fe Samuel Tenedu womo ede beye aboa kumase Asante Kotoko watobo na chim na so wapembo na fiwo bona nseye Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Bibiani Goldstars Ajibono center circle watwene so bona try line referee throw in yento na yemfetia Bibiani Goldstars game no too physical say the kwasi bi odi beka no I say obia yusu na ho den obia yusu na ho den and odi si akan no Lord Hilaria Double when they could this answer money no referee there be hey ya grodi di nyento kwenti anu anya bote wajiatum bone kwakwa bia Kumasi Asante Kotoko mfifia fam nanso there be bon natural referee through in yento fantia Bibiani Goldstars Sima Diosia and 64 minutes and your boy Kensi will be antony for ball enter the young quatem champion of champions 2025 champion of champions and of course so the dance park or baby any the dance park or baby any a throw in Asante Kotoko to the tia Samuel Tenedu but to one Asaji Tenedu or Nabinkum na cross one ten bona cheti boxing Nenso Emmanuel Kobi was so born with the Bibiani Goldstars Emmanuel Kobi ni modimbo aso ni bona chima tra center circle ma wrap him Asante Kotoko wo mo ikura ball pia so da bi opia so dodo opia so dodo eti Samuel Tenedu ntimi afa ball na mana tra line Asante Kotoko na jibona center circle akotwa referee ento aso the bona kwachi bona kwakodi Henry Ansu the bona fifi na pass o man ntimi anko bona kwakodi Bibiani Goldstars referee bona fa yem fanto na yemunti akrob yakuvase Asante Kotoko game na too physical I think say obi a holding and obi a kire na holding e wa Kensi ni obi a kire na holding e wa Kensi ni Bibiani Goldstars e kura ball man center circle we pia so de bona fa benkum bona kwakodi referee goal kick ya monfantia Bibiani Goldstars Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko enya goal kick Fosuche ofa to so mienu anu oba kan sie nim wo fa to so mienu eno ba kan sie nim je to kan sie so Onia TV anyone who so a wo hwe live commentary that's here we are champion of champions ayebo ewo the dance park no ewo Bibiani Goldstars and the Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko and the abo anyway I can see a year born na proper kwemu ama Ghana Premier League 2025-2026 season no abeshasi referee do card chair BBN Goldstars a player number 3 jersey Jelo card akọ de ama Samuel Champo of BBN Goldstars. A free kick Asante Kotoko board here to BBN Goldstars. Baby abonda bibi abetimi asi. Se obono boni ye betimi di go aba. Coach Karim Zito. Woja Hawaye din. Coach Abdul Karim Zito. Kumasi Asante Kotoko peja bona chire. Go Asante Kotoko ashego edikan ewa kansenim. Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ato atre edikan ewa kansenim. Kotoko 1 BBN Goldstars ni Asante Kotoko chitafo na ni ajepa. Asante Kotoko chitafo no. Womani aje. Na bone ye fake ke woni fa so. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Woma shego. Adetia Abranta ne din Eddie Hamzata. Wono na shego na dia makrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Kumasi Asante Kotoko ashebako BBN Goldstars sentiment here. Sima edio sontam woni 70 minutes akasima edio no. Ene de referee de beto akansie no ni nyina be kona wi Asante Kotoko. Womako. Game no moye de akansie ni moye de papa. BBN Goldstars so metimi ati omoka. BBN Goldstars has on betting at Yomoka. Onia TV, anyone who goes to our live commentary at the Mount. Champion of champions, BBN Goldstars Edge Ghana Premier League. And I feel Asante Kotoko. And so Edge, the MTNFA Cup. Now, some women who say, why? And I'm the modern boy, Ekon Kain, Sabe, I sleep Biakwemo. Ama next season and as a season we Ghana Premier League no ashase a goal kick Kotoko board at BBN Goldstars. Join on Facebook, Onia TV on Facebook. Nakohia can say bibia did them kama pa. Bibia did an aquam kama pa. Goalkeeper referee catch and say we and one in the chat crowd moon delay time. We the chat Mohamed Kamara pejabona chimnes bona sakwa kodi. BBN Goldstars emranche no ye bia so betini ati omo kanenso. Asante Kotoko say to for mo say the champion of champions is the saying to me. Eshamo, until you say Bia. You can go start betting stars, then Sukodoko, and after that, you pin Samba Unela Ibon Fuel. Referee and Trasso, where you born in 10 pass the bonnet team. A chance, let's once again, Kamara. Mohamed Gwasobodemo Nenso am sene hokano Samson de Duku ne ho ekwaka goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara to other form ampa Samson Eduku sene medi kan etu dwa no wosi akan de ma second D 11 wise wosi akan de ma Tamale City ene otu kan ba no be Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko and so signing no last season the corner we na Asante Kotoko chese omuntim ne nto aso nya adwuma ene na odani achemu our baby any Goldstars and no more juma or body at any former club Kumasi Asante Kotoko make us a cancel a temporary holder say goalkeeper what I saw that Kupamano so it's a cancel a temporary holder my home coach Otto Adro Yamia Dumotna and Omo Campion Esha say Black Stars too much and I said 2 games any child na fe Mali Ebebono Yamia Dumotna Kaba Ghana. Mohamed Kamara Mose Kwampoku Saka Dauda womo so asha se ye womo apenche bi womo so abegina masi akani bi ede ama Asante Kotoko Stephen Frimpong Manso head coach ede ma bibiani Goldstars what wore mrante de kasa se wo se se utimi esha Asante Kotoko ewo ga katofo na so modern boy ade kon kan yi pa coach Karim Zito hu ne se ne wantimi ani nkuruma se di ntwa Asante Kotoko chitafo na momfa ne ho nche ne kranche no ewo se kwan bi aso ne mrante no eye de omu betimi bia no mu di nkunim no madika de ato dwadada to mu intimate ye dance part je to akan se so apega bon ntem paso de bon atem Asante Kotoko eye corner kick Bonnet line to your goalkeeper, your body at Kumasi Asante Kotoko, goalkeeper Emmanuel Kobe, he bought at him. No, so Asante Kotoko, pinball if your bonnet, so massa clear. Bono center second, Bona Kakudi, Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Abetamwa, Referee Bonatrala, Yanto Fentia Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Atubon Bonakoma, Ofusuna Sodabi. Bonatrala referee through Yanto Fentia Asante Kotoko. Woma say e bona sa de control yeto. E de tia Asante Kotoko. Woma say e bona de control ndim. Kakanga kasa anom de bona komanim. Sima ediosun ensia 76 minutes ni abo. Akasima edunan. Ene de referee de beto so akanse ni nyina be kɔ na wieye. Bona kura Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko mfimfin. No, so we say referee ashena best entry so Asante Kotoko player bako eda ago prabana so ntwa entry so na afei jenko yi no enfisi na beti benya akwanya atwa so abeta moa da bi o sha ase se obobo amanfo asha ase hu no eye bra no si akan edema Kwa Bibrem United. Ahona na abeta mo sina kan. Ana Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Enso akofa na mo ne eye adwuma. Eye kona keke ebo ade atia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Je body atia Kumasi Asante Kotoko 78 ase kabako a wo mo entimi entiye. Goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara wasobo no magya ne ho atoso. Goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Odabi. Samson Eduku nanka was to be better than your no. Samson Eduku. When you born on 80-yard box in him. Referee born a corner kick. Yes, Mohamed Kamara had also more than 1 minute into referee born a corner kick. You see him run assassin. We goalkeeper now for ball now delay and Ranasi and you connect kick and fentiao 80 Mohamed Kamara or Dabo no so che ena center referee there be eye corner kick yemfanto na yemunti akumase Asante Kotoko body cross Asante Kotoko ya kana to former referee ajefa ere amakumase Asante Kotoko Samuel Champon Michael Nkwa Samuel Champon and if you Kevin upon one more year Juma Papa better more Michael upon Oma better more can cry what is why you be as I plan to be if you give us Michael say I better more ne ho hene ne ho ha ujano be ma dey fire time Simadu watching temoni 80 minutes and Abaka Simadu and the referee better so I can see the banner we champion of champions 2025 to me and your pega bona team so be a wanka I'm a bono atrala a goal kicker yepo Edetia Kumase Asante Kotoko goalkeeper Imano Kobi bono and Akochina Bonechi Imano Kobi and Akochina Bonechi where you born in temper so that team Nelson Henry and Sue a clever on bona kwakodi somewhere tenedu you born the bonachi more hair Morefin Jones Unenso goalkeeper Imano Kobi abe born a free Morefin Jones wo fe di kan okay kan hu yie pa ba fe to so mi di enche da ehu ne modern body sa e throwing Asante Kotoko e throwing Kumasi Asante Kotoko eto atubo na team nanso bona trala e throwing here to e tia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Kevin Omobo modern bia se de be ya bia ni Goldstars sentiment omoka bia ni Goldstars Asante Kotoko aye foul ye body tia Asante Kotoko e foul ye body tia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Samote de do kodi sansa mo me age foul tia Kumasi Asante Kotoko referee se bona sai foul biem baby abonda bibia betimi ese Asante Kotoko wo mo ya hwe yi pa Samote ne du e wo so ya hwe yi oba gene mo nche nenso o hamfum so bia wo ye na wo se wo ya hwe yi e wo so ya hwe yi baby abonda da ye pa de ma bibia ni Goldstars so mo boni ya bibia betimi ese wa kan se nim baby abonda da ye eta ye de ma ye hwe de bibia ni Goldstars e betimi e de akonya yaye a free kick here body at Kumasi Asante Kotoko center referee no so yellow card area Asante Kotoko baby a ball dano the year de ma bibia ni Goldstars referee a shena ben wa bobo na copy human one Kotoko ma kile bonnet pass the bonnet free BBN Goldstars Kunto Nanso Asante Kotoko yibo na mana try line through na yeto edi akrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko atobo ne temperance wentimi amfa bo na mana atra ehye yeto edi BBN Goldstars sima de watwe en ntemo ani mahu se sima edi watwe en Vincent Atenga ne bu afu yie pa Edin kunimti nyanwanwa sa Asante Kotoko champion of champions yo matimi akwakose ekabako a bibia ni Goldstars sentimi entiye ye to aka se so bona kwakodi bibia ni Goldstars apega bona tempa so de bona chirem na so da bi Asante Kotoko Mohamed Kamara opie denso ne sentimi anka bono Emma Michael Nkwa eji bɔne de fa pɔ ne so ɛyɛ goal kicker ɛkɔ ɛde ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko Michael Nkoa consider ne bɛka sɛ it is easier to score than to miss. It is easier to score than to miss. Baby oyibo no ɛde fa no ɛde fa fam kakra bi akɛto atenam ɛde tia Kumasi Asante Kotoko je to akanse so bɔ de kura baby ani Goldstars to pia so ɛde bɔ na fa fifi ɛde bɔ na kwachi akwa koma ima no konto atwa bɔ ne de bɔ na kyem na so once again Lord Hilaria double ayibo na fi o wapem ama bɔ na throw line throw in ayeto ɛde atia baby ani Goldstars akasima enum Asante Kotoko yensa kaye ɛto so miensa Kwampoku eba kanse nim Kwame Poku eba kanse nim abesi bi ɛde ama Asante Kotoko Philippa mo Africa no Kwame Poku ne ba be hyemasi akan ne bi ɛde ama Krobia Kumase Asante Kotoko offside ma hu say Asante Kotoko goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara ete agoprama no so minim de ye no Mohamed Kamara what agoprama what agoprama no so nti ohwe FIFA mra anaso ohwe mra ide football goalkeeper pe ena opira emra ma no ho kwan of Champions 2025 Asante Kotoko akoshe ekabako ade tia bibia ni Goldstars a wo mo entimi enti abeta mo ase ne ho ato no betimi aba begina masi akan ade ama Asante Kotoko Throwing a yet to where tia bibia ni Goldstars yet to where tia bibia ni Goldstars foul apeja ball enter pass ade ball na chemu 80 box nim nenso once again Henry Ensu apembo na fiwo ball inside asukra bibia ni Goldstars e wa Asante Kotoko 80 box na chiwa short nenso there be a goal kick Stars Onia TV ene enyume wasuguso a live commentary ye de ebro Onia the champion of champions 2025 champion of champions Bibiani Goldstars Eji Ghana Premier League Asante Kotoko EGMTN FA Cup ntina wo se hu hia se wo motimi ade boy ni he jene modimbo throwing here to where it here Nesha Chibone fi Asante Kotoko manchane sem referee bone fa yem fanto na ye montia bi Asante Kotoko sansa beta moa beta moa Bibiani Goldstars am not the crab no ibon in tempaso at the right hand box in border inside so Asante Kotoko womatimi a clear bonnet for Samuel Tededu ibon for bona konfinfin akwakodi Lord Hilaria double wapia bonnet tempaso we head morofin donsu nenso imano kobi goalkeeper wa bobo no dey bonnet free wo bonnet say ye eye foul jebo o dey tia Bibiani Goldstars simadi okro ni nyina aso simadi okro ni nyina aso Francis Aqua Boni kwa Kumasi Asante Kotoko apega boni te paso de bona chimnenso chire yi bona fi obona ense ye refi se fa o yem fanto na emuntia Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko mbetimi ekura wango ni mwana refi ajefare ti Asante Kotoko yellow card cheno wasi de be muso be yesan de japa guma mi no kana to fomboko FC Samata se ne wa Johnny Asante Kotoko a free kick maybe abonda na the year pa edema bibiani Goldstars ma won say goalkeeper de Asante Kotoko Mohamed Kamara wone 3 playersoma for me human wone kasa baby abonda no ehu ayibo na chim so finally Asante Kotoko ma clear bon front tempa so minim sima referee beto so Kotoko 1-on-1 we betini bona to atrema na a chance Asante Kotoko na so the big goalkeeper na save ball no oh Kumasi Asante Kotoko nya kwanya sen common chego eto so mienu Asante Kotoko nya kwanya na sen common go eto so mienu eto atrema na sen goalkeeper Imano Kobi etime save situation no edema BBN Goldstars Bona akwakodi BBN Goldstars so ye bia so betimi enya equalizer no de bona ko penalty shooter Nelson Francis Akwa 7 minutes Simanson and a referee in front to Akensen so Francis Akwa Kumasi Asante Kotoko jita for no mani ajiye pa womu boji Asante Kotoko krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko metema no so Morefin Jones won't mean to us so man say the structure na be fa no je wo so ye de makrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko enen me waye je wo so ye de Asante Kotoko na wie Morefin Jones waye Bone kura Kumasi Asante Kotoko Francis Akwa piaso what the man captain Samba Onelo apeja bon tenten bon achim nanso da bi Francis Akwa yi bon tempa so da achim nanso goalkeeper Imano Kobi abefa bon no dia ma BBN Goldstars so apre no tempa na apeja bon achim nanso Asante Kotoko wo masa clear border free wo game no ma yedin papa Asante Kotoko ye bia so betimi a defending one goal no sanso na BBN Goldstars epese or de game no extra time referee say a foul Jemfanto ye muntia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Francis Akwa nanso da bia chi bon evidence bon kura BBN Goldstars abrantia ne de Debbie wa clear board na ka BBN Goldstars e penalty nanso referee no say Debbie oje penalty man nye yi aso betimi referee say ne nan eka ball oje penalty man a enye yi heriansu atrala e through na BBN Goldstars omo pre omo se omo betimi ati omo ka e through in ye to the tia BBN Goldstars wato Imano Kobi wa fini post nim abas Samba Onela pimbo da fiwo game no ma ye den papa enya sam ketwa game no e ma ye den to Asante Kotoko masa yibo da fiwo game no ma ye den fa no mi no bia pese odin kure mu akansi enim abeta mo a ori bona kwachi abeta mo a Samuel Tenedumi center referee ashe na be dia akansi ni nyina ba na wieye center referee ashe na ben e dia akansi ni nyina ba na wieye na se krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko champion of champions no womu ana kuruwa na akoka monsa na se de gaka top 4 BBN Goldstars e de krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko no Asante Kotoko womu so akwati omo Asante Kotoko wɔn nso akɔ akɔte wɔn ho kuma ɛka baako a wɔn ntumi ante ɛwɔ akansie nim abrante a din ɛde Hamzata Nusa wɔn ɛde nya di only goal ɛde ma Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko so a new player Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko assign no Hamzata wɔn nya di only goal ɛwɔ akansie nim ɛde ma Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Musa Hamzata wɔn hyɛ goal no ɛde ma Asante Kotoko 2025 champion of champions let me aba na wi or the dance park ama Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ɛhyɛ ɛka baako ɛdetia Bibiani Goldstars a ɔmo ntimi anti Bibiani Goldstars protest sɛ na ɔsɛ ka referee penalty ɛde ma ɔmo ɛyɛ protest na ɔsɛ ka referee penalty ɛde ma ɔmo na nso referee anye amfa ma ɔmo referee anye amfa ma ɔmo ti ɛde yimadani nyina aba na wiye ama Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko sɛ na ɔmo tu dwa sɛ ɔmo bɛkyerɛ ɛyɛ Bibiani Goldstars sɛ ɔmo na yɛ mpanifo ɛbrɛ ɔmo bɛkyerɛ ɔmo hyɛ ɔmo ga katɔfo nim no saa pɛpɛpɛ ɛda Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko mmeranteɛ no ɛnso atimi akɔyɛ sɛ ɔmo kye Bibiani Goldstars ɛwɔ dance park hɔ ɛna ɛyɛ Bibiani Goldstars ɔmo home grounds a wɔmo esi ɔmo akan ɛwɔ the Ghana Premier League nim Asante Kotoko akɔkye no ahyɛ ne ka baako a wentini anti Musa Hamzata a new player Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ɛsan ne bɛsɛ na wɔtwe ntamu anie ɔno ɛna timi abenya go ɛde ama Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko kruwa ne da so no wɔn nsa ɛtimi aka medi ɛde Bismarck Kwaku Sapon ɛde dwumadie no esi There's statistics. We have said I can see this koya who ensem and ampedifo area to Jano here goal scorer Asante Kotoko Sheba could be any Goldstars as a short Bibiani Goldstars a boom, you know, Asante Kotoko Ebo inum a shot on target, sell bobo amana akopomu and no Asante Kotoko Ebo, you know, Bibiani Goldstars a boom, you know, ball possession your Asante Kotoko in terms of possession Kotoko ebo 52 bibiani Goldstars ebo 48 corner kicks Kotoko nyansia bibiani Goldstars enya mienu fouls conceded Kotoko nyansia bibiani Goldstars enya num na say yellow card so Asante Kotoko ayade omre nya more yellow cards ewo akansirimti finally ayade a bibiani Goldstars entimi anye champion of champions no club ya Kumase Asante Kotoko womo ena sa abaso body no etimi akọ edi amom na say ayade Asante Kotoko di omo ka say ombe no sa pepepe ena omatimi aye bibiani a womatimi agikuwa no ade afri club ya Kumase Asante Kotoko bibiani Goldstars for ensa Asante Kotoko agi ayekuwa na womo ede kokam kuwa MTNFA Cup no mogie no eno so womo de kwa county obi afene no mienu a meka so obi abodo ho modern de na obi anso I determine na se na kwasi do ne beka no so betimi adi nkunim e wa kansi nim na so nyina mu no club ya Kumase Asante Kotoko se ka ba kwa bibiani Goldstars entimi anti Musa Hamzata wono players Asante Kotoko esane ne be se na wotwe eko na wotwe nin kakrani a monsa eka na ono etimi ababeshegu edi amakrobia Kumase Asante Kotoko tima no si akan mom no wo Cape Coast ho na Musa Hamzata wono esi na kan Cape Coast esi abrante no abeka krobia Kumase Asante Kotoko bobuko no ho a watimi abenya the first goal edi ama Asante Kotoko the first goal no so share no etimi ama Asante Kotoko enso win trophy nti na se eyade a Kotoko mebo mabaso so matimi abom homodin na omatimi akwakodin kunim supporters na ni age ohwese ne omo stance de mu a adeje akọ ede amami anya point ba akokra no na wo se match edi ye honden ene enim die nyina ekusim na yetimi age se ne be supporters no so ene beji ye supporters no omo re hoyi ebra Kotoko ebo 3 ayakuru wa na esi so no ede makrobia Kumase Asante Kotoko se ne be ya omo supporters no womu eni ebeji zia meka said enche bi afa bibiani Goldstars de enso a ese fantasy de mom no ye de amom 2025 champion of champions no akọ ede amakrobia Kumase Asante Kotoko se omo ena edi enkunim ewo sa kansi etieguso ehwe se enche bia no dwumadie no ebetimi aba na wie ye bra empenifo behwe na afi omo de medals no amakrobia Kumase Asante Kotoko ne enwusa na nioma 2026 season got the Ghana Premier League and so
out there and battle to defend the Ghana Premier League, and also, most importantly, in the CAF Champions League preliminary stage, Baby Any Goldstars will be taking on JS Kabylie from Algeria, and it's already been confirmed that they will be playing at the Accra Sports Stadium. Gordon Ablodi, a former captain of Asante Kotoko, today he works with Baby Any Goldstars, also receiving his medals there. And they are exchanging pleasantries with all the dignitaries that are present. Gideon Fosu at the dance park. They don't look distraught at all. Clearly, they put up a fight, but it looks like Asante Kotoko showed more desire and hunger. Of the champions, the Porcupine Warriors, cladded in their beautiful t-shirts with this, all very much in high spirits, excited. Kotoko have not had too many exciting times in the last few days because things did not move well or go well for them in the Gauka Top 4. So this is how Asante Kotoko got the all-important goal. It was a header that was flicked. Goalkeeper Emmanuel Kobe tried his best, but the debutant, that is Hamzata, a former Accra Lions player, tapping in or getting the final touch to ensure that Asante Kotoko win this. So Kotoko also taking up their winners medal and exchanging pleasantries. Shaibu Abubakar left the game very early with an injury. He's been very promising for Asante Kotoko ever since he moved from Karela United. One of the best players they have at the moment, and we'll be looking at cementing the position going into the season proper. Asante Kotoko themselves will be most,
especially over the years. Kotoko have really not done well in the African competition. But Dreams FC, Mediama Sporting Club, last year we saw Summer Texas, we saw Tremani FC, all competing in the African competition, and so it also gives Kotoko new energy to go all out. And I think that coming back after the poor performance in Ghana,
does this really evoke confidence among the Kotoko fans who some way somehow were doubting that the team could go out there and compete, or the team was ready to compete in the coming season?
Yes, especially after the top 4, they felt that no, there were a lot of work to do. And I think that from the left side to the right side, they dominated. And then if you look at the style of Abdul Karim Zito, switching to the 3-back, playing 2 wing backs, pushing Philip Amu to the right wing back, and also giving the opportunity to other players.
You can also see former Asante Kotoko captain and right back Amos Frimpong,
yes,
now works with the team in the technical department. I mean, he was such a brilliant player during his tenure.
And Kotoko have given a lot of their former players opportunity. Frimpong Manson, who is now the head coach of Goldstars, who has won the Premier League, is a former Kotoko player. Abdul Karim Zito, who is currently the head coach of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, is their former player. Now we can see a lot of former players in the Kotoko new technical team. Amos Frimpong is one of them.
But on the basis of what you've seen, I mean, the trophy is being presented to Captain Samba O'Neill by Gideon Fosu, ESCO member. And I'm sure Samba O'Neill would be rushing to join his teammates as they celebrate this one. It's a big win for Asante Kotoko, a team that has suffered in recent times, even though they won the MTN FA Cup. Fans have not been Goldstars. Samba O'Neill approaching his teammates, and it's joy for Asante Kotoko. Samba O'Neill, 1, 2, 3, and Asante Kotoko, our champion of us, coming to the dangerous dance park and beating Goldstars by a goal to nil. Their fans are on cloud 9. There you see them with the Asante Kotoko flag, waving and partying and dancing with the team. Karim Zito sent to also flex with the trophy. His second trophy with Asante Kotoko. Karim Zito, he's already won the FA Cup. He came in with about 6 games to end the season, taking over from Prosper Nati Ogum. He went on to win the FA Cup, and today he's added the champion of champions to his cabinet. Such a brilliant manager. formerly with Dreams FC. Formerly with Dreams FC. Formerly with Dreams FC. Formerly with Dreams FC. He guided them to the CAF Confederation Cup. Remember, he got to the semi-finals of that competition. The famous Dreams FC team that had the likes of Abdul Aziz Issa, Sean Entry, all in there, getting to the semi-final, only losing to Zamalek. So he's one of the most experienced managers we have in the country. Played with Asante Kotoko, won so many trophies with them, and now he's guided them to win trophy as a manager. That is brilliant. That's Asante Kotoko fans that made a trip from Kumasi to Bebieni would be going back wearing a smile on their faces, knowing that the Porcupine Warriors look set and ready for the season, because it has not been a good time for them. They struggled, had difficulties in beating Golden Cake, went to South Africa, defeated Kaiser Chiefs in the Toyota Cup, and now back home after the Gal Top 4, things were not looking good for them. But this would actually inspire confidence as they will go on. And it looks like they are ready for the season. Big tasks ahead of them, especially coming up against Kara United from Nigeria in the CAF Confederation Cup. Mo, with what you've seen so far from both clubs, do you think they are ready, not just for the Ghana Premier League, but the attacks on the African continent?
Yes, they started preparations long ago. Goldstars last month completed all their deals. Last week they signed one more additional striker. He wasn't on bench for them. And if you look at the current crop of Kumasi Asante Kotoko players, they are beginning to gel. The top 4 gave them the opportunity to assess some of the new players. And for me, I think both sides are really prepared for the Africa.
Mo, you are my partner in crime for today, so you will stay with me. But let me bring in Mr. Frank Nelson Ewonkolo, a very experienced football administrator, heartful. I mean,